beautiful Friday in southern Utah, 55 degrees and clear skies, so it's going to be a nice day today. We're headed up to Virgin, Utah. Hey, don't interrupt the intro. We're headed up to Virgin, Utah today to gather up an old motorhome and a bunch of junk that some not so conscious person abandoned on some public ground. So we're going to get that cleaned up and get it back to the yard and wait for the state to do their paperwork on it. So we're gonna meet the crew up there. Got the Winterton Rollback, got a cat skid steer coming up, and then we've got the old Duramax and the flatbed trailer. So we'll get up there and we'll take you along for the ride. Down here. I wonder if we can drag it backwards a little bit.
Yeah, I'm gonna grab your chain.
Stay over here. Let's try that, and I'll just steer it, and we'll see if we can load it right there on that harder dirt. All right, well, we got to monkey the thing around in here because that big old center area is all just soft. We're gonna jockey around in here, and then maybe we'll see if we can get that Suburban load. Whatever the heck it is. Working? Yeah, this might go easier than I anticipated. Pull that truck up just a little bit, right up into the bushes.
Yeah, like this way a little. Is that what you're thinking?
Yeah, I figure if I just pull, we can just pull it straight up.
Yep, that sounds good.
Oh, I've messed up the body on that. That's the problem with tracking cameras with you. It's like losing having an extra phone. I honestly don't know where it went.
I don't know. I didn't see it anywhere in there.
Sun visors are in great shape. Those gonna get ripped off. Yeah, we could probably put this back together.
Yeah.
Be like a
nice little camper.
We could call it the rotten egg. Well, it's gonna fit. Or how close am I even?
I'll go that way a little bit.
That one?
Yo, are you okay?
Yeah, it looks like it's gonna barely fit.
Okay. We'll keep going.
Yeah, I think.
Yeah, it's gonna fit. Uh-oh. Parts already?
Hood latch.
What? Hood latch?
Yeah.
How are we gonna get home? The hood's gonna come up.
I know. Come my way a little bit.
Having picked up.
Couple more feet.
You got a couple feet? Go ahead all the way till it stops. Good. Stand up.
Well, I don't even know if I can haul her up there.
Take this all the way apart, or can you dump it somewhere?
I have to put it in my yard, store it, and then I'll have to get all the paperwork on it.
I'm glad you're doing it.
That's how it goes. It's got to leave one way or another. So.
Right. And then you can just strap these wraps up.
Yeah, I might have to pull forward though to get them. Chain them or strap them, I'm sure. I got a big strap. I wonder how I'm going to even get this thing.
That's why you kept having to pick it up.
I almost wonder if we have I had to go. Better already.
Yeah.
It smells better. Well, we got down in there. We've been putting this job off because we've had a lot of rain here and there, hit and miss, and it's just blue, kind of red clay down in there, and it's real soft and sticky. We just about got the old Duramax stuck with the gooseneck on, but we was able to sneak through there and get it loaded. Had Sean and Tanner from the water district meet us up there. It's the Water District property. So they met us up there and helped us get loaded with that track skid steer, so saved us a bunch of time. And then they're going to come back with a dump trailer and a bucket and get all the rest of the miscellaneous debris and garbage. So get the old countryside cleaned up a little bit, get this stuff back to the yard. We'll have to store this motorhome for 60 days probably until the motor vehicle division gets us a release on it, and then we can just tear it to pieces and haul the majority of it to the landfill in a dump trailer, and then we'll haul the chassis over to one of the scrap yards. So always a good way to end out a Friday, cleaning up somebody else's mess. And so we're going to get back to the yard, and thanks for coming along for the ride.